See me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet.
Hey dolls and gents, you know what time it is. It is that time of the year for birthday makeup tutorials. Scorpio season is here. Scorpio season starts on October 23rd, which is tomorrow. So where my Scorpios at? Are y'all ready? Let's go. This year I feel like has just flown by. And I am not prepared, okay? I'm not prepared, but we're gonna get prepared. So my inspiration for this look was Scorpio Untamed. This is a Scorpio who has not come into themselves yet. This is a Scorpio who is scorned. This is a Scorpio who is seeking revenge. They're seeking revenge because they're hurt. Scorpios get a bad rep for doing bad things to others, but that is really not the case. What did you do to that Scorpio first? That's what people don't like to talk about, because us Scorpios only retaliate when we have been hurt, and I mean hurt. So a Scorpio Untamed has been hurt. They can't let go, and they are seeking revenge. This look is edgy. This look is hot, fiery. Everything that a Scorpio Untamed is. And before we get into this video, if you are not already subscribed, click that subscribe button down below because you do not want to miss my next videos. They are going to be hot, okay? So if you would like to see this look right here, as well as this bomb hair, because this hair is going straight up with this look, you know what to do, boo. Definitely stay tuned. So I wanted to do something a little bit different with this tutorial. I wanted to create a whole vibe. This wig was the center of the creativity for this makeup look that I chose to do for my first birthday makeup tutorial for 2022. And this wig is giving me such a vibe, y'all. This is the Nadula Spicy Red Wine Highlight Loose Wave Lace Front Wig in 26 inches. It is 150% density. I want to thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and just giving me this creativity to come up with a different type of look. And I think that y'all will enjoy this wig. I know a lot of you were commenting on my Instagram about the hair. If you're interested, all the information on this wig and any products that I use will be listed and linked in the description box down below. I do not want to talk in this video. I want it to be a whole vibe. I want it to be super calming. And so I'm going to be playing music in this video. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I would love y'all's feedback. And I'm going to stop talking now because I love to ramble. But let's get into this hair install and my makeup.
Sometimes you fall, 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 sometimes you fall. Come on over, let's let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby. I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away.
I hope that y'all enjoyed my first birthday makeup tutorial for 2022. If you did, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section down below. And I will definitely keep them coming for you fellow Scorpios out there, or anybody who just wants to wear a hot ass look. If you have not already checked out my last YouTube video, go ahead and click the box right here. A lot of y'all are like, girl, where have you been? Girl, I've been back. You need to catch up. Let's go. I will catch y'all soon with a new birthday makeup tutorial. Bye, y'all.